Hello class 701. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, 2020, and today we're going to be doing some worksheets for Mojave Mutt. Now you should already have the worksheets. They should have been sent to you. So let's get started. So on page 6, okay, on page 6 what we're going to be doing is, think about it, what is a good smell for you? So what I want you guys to do is in this part right here, tell me one thing that smells really good for you, okay? Some examples are lotions, blankets, bread, roses, or perfumes. Now, what I want you guys to say is, I think this smells really good, okay? So one thing, it can be whatever you want. Flowers, roses, maybe chocolate, anything that smells good, write it right here, okay? So pause the video while you do that, and then when you're done, we're gonna go to page 12, okay? And on page 12, what we're doing is, what is the weather like in the desert? What can you see there? So I have these pictures of the desert, and you guys have to write how the weather is. So some words, a cactus, you know, the real prickly, the green prickly plant. Sand, we know what sand is. An iguana, the lizard. A camel. So what you have to do on this page right here is you have to say, the desert is hot and dry. I can see a camel in the desert, or something like that, okay? That's what this space right here is for. You have to tell me about the weather and what you can see in the desert. Okay, so pause the video while you do page 12, and then we're going to do page 13. Okay? So, on page 13, grammar and writing. Grammar point. Smell plus adjectives. It smells good. They smell bad. Something smelled bad. Okay, so you say smell and then bad. It smells like a soap. So smell plus like plus nouns. Okay? So something smells like, and then you say a noun. So it smells like a soap. Soap? Yes, soap. They smelled like rocks. Something smells like potatoes. So what I want you to do here is we're going to practice, okay? Look at the pictures and complete the sentence. Something smelled, right? Smell, and then like bread. Okay, that's number one. Something smelled like bread. Okay, we're doing this example. Smell, like, and then the noun. Something smelled like bread. Let's do number two. Some puddles smelled bad. Okay? So we're doing the smell plus the adjective. Smelled bad. Some puddles smelled bad. Okay? Let's go to number three. A big green plant did not smell bad, right? Smell in the adjective, so we're going to do smell bad. Okay? Smell bad. Let's go to the next one. They just something rocks and sticks. So let's do the smell plus like plus the noun. They just smelled like rocks and sticks. Okay? So we're doing smelled like rocks and sticks. Okay? Let's do number 5. Something smelled like flowers. Okay? We're doing this one. Something smelled like flowers. Something smelled like flowers. So pause the video while you guys get these answers. Then we're gonna move on to page 14, okay? So let's go to page 14. Okay, so on page 14, complete the chart, then read them aloud twice. So, for this one, his tail, when it moves side to side like that, that is to wag a tail. Wag. Mutt wagged his tail. Mutt wagged his tail. Let's do the next one. Hold on. So when you walk like that, that's called a trot. Okay? Hold on, let me just write this for you guys. Trot. Mutt trotted a while more. T-R-O-T, trot. Okay? Let's move to the next one. To sniff with your nose. Sniff, right? So now it's going to be, Mutt sniffed a big green plant. Mutt sniffed a big green plant. Okay, let's go to the next one. So, we're going to go with, when you go into the air, you jump, right? You jump. A long iguana jumped up. A long iguana jumped up. Okay, let's go to the next one. So, your eyes, when you open and close them, you blink. That's the next one. The iguana blinked her eyes. The iguana blinked her eyes. The iguana blinked her eyes. So pause the video while you get all these answers down, and then we're going to move on to the next page, okay? All right. So on the next page, what we're doing on page 15 is we have to fill in the blanks. So I want you guys to try and do this on your own. So pause the video, see if you can do these on your own, and then we will correct together, okay? All right, ready? So here we go. Mutt sniffed the air. Something smelled very good. He thought he would find the good smell. So the first one is smell. He thought he would find the good smell. Number 2, he trotted away. Okay? He trotted away. The next one, he sniffed. He sniffed many things. He sniffed many things. Let's go to the next one. A long iguana, remember it jumped up. It jumped up. A long iguana jumped up. And over here, the next one, it's time for lunch, the iguana said. It's time for lunch, the iguana said. Mutt sniffed the flowers. They smelled very, very good. Okay? Remember, smell plus adjective. They smelled very, very good. The iguana said, take this to remember the desert. Remember the desert. Okay? So pause the video to make sure you have all of these answers because it's very important. So pause. Okay. That's our lesson for today, guys. If you have any questions, call or email the school and we can help you guys out. And I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Have a good day, guys.